Eh. I know you're just wondering like what's happening. What's happening is that the mechanic they have arrived, so we are waiting for them to open the car so that they can tell us the problem of the car so that we can repair it. But I'm in a nice place, guys. See this waterfall here. Very nice place. Hello guys, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is official Slimmy Boy. It's another moment. It's actually in the morning, guys. When I look at the time now, it's actually 7 a.m. and guys, this is my beautiful compound home. And I'm actually living right now. You can see Muscovy ducks all over, you know, the duckling sounds there. Our cows still in, you see. Yeah, guys. So I'm just rushing to hustle as a daily routine, as you all know, guys. I'm just now leaving home now. I'm heading to hustle, guys. So let me reach there, then we're gonna keep in touch. But in today's video, guys, it's all about walking around and showing you different places in the village of Mabera, East Africa. So guys, one love. This is an orphanage school here. Mambo, umeamka poa? Na siku hizi naamka mapema aje. Oh. Haya poa. Okay. Yeah guys, I'm here now. I've just reached main road. And this is our machine here, guys. Ah, VPJ. There's someone there right now. Okay. Yeah, so guys, as I told you, I was just coming here. You know, it's actually in the morning, and we must walk around and see what we're gonna do. Okay, bro. Alright. It's another morning. Mujaro tara hika kumbe na mimi nante hano. Oh. War mo korega. Yale pa ay mo. So guys, this is our main road here, as you can see. So this is the route from Migori heading to Sirari. So when you head this way, you head to Sirari, and when you go this, you go to Migori. So like those people are going to Migori. So when you go this way, you head to Sirari. Yeah. So let me wait the person that I'm working with them. Bam bam. Yeah guys, we are moving, huh? We are in town now. We are trying to feel precious. Yeah, Jabuzo. Wabo bro. This is how we hustle in Africa. This is how we do the thing in Africa. We are trying to convert materials into money, into cash. So we are trying to supply the hardcore, the construction materials like sand, hardcore, ballast, something like that. So right now we are going to pick the sand. That's where we're heading. So I think after that we will keep now moving. Hata kujini kama una hata panda juu yangu wanaka nonga kere waro tire kwa so haraka yeah guys, you're here. Guys, see the rocks here. Huh? Wapi? Kuna kitu umesikia? Umesikia kitu? Umesikia kitu? Unaona namba zao ni. So guys, you want to pick the sand. Let me show you the sand. This is the construction sand, guys. Oh guys, see the skuma wiki here. So nice skuma wiki. The kales. The kales. Wow, 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 wow. Let me see how this place looks like, guys. This place looks so good, so nice. There's a small river here, guys, that I want to show you. You see? Actually, it's actually my first time here, guys. Wow. This is now the water. Clean water. So guys, this is Africa, Kenya. This is how it looks like. We have natural rivers right like this. You can see this water flows like non-stop. It always flow, guys. It does not dry up. Yep, I like it. And going there, you can see there are homes. People stay there. There is a homestead over there. There is another homestead over there. You know. Wow, you can see the nursery beds there. I don't know exactly what they plant, but I've seen the nursery bed. Let me see what they are planting here. I think they are planting trees. I think they are planting trees. You see? Wow, 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 wow. So this is it. So this is the nursery, guys. It looks nice. Yeah. So it's actually my first time here. You can see there is a big forest here, and going the other side of the forest, there are actually many stones there. I really like this place. In short, this place is called Nyamosense. Nyamosense is a place where we come to pick the construction sand. Yes, guys. So let me show you how the thing go in Africa, my people. Yep. Enjoy this film and this moment. There is a nice waterfall here, guys. I really don't know whether I will reach there, but do you see this place? Wow, 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 wow. Wow, guys. Do you see here? Now let me settle here. Wow, 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 wow. This place looks so nice for chilling. Someone just can come here and chill. You see, like, I really don't know if people use this place for bathing, because I can see there is another water here. Like, there is a sign of people always bathe here, guys. You see? It really looks so good. Oh, there's a passageway over here. So people pass over here, guys. There's a road here. I think it is the road. You can see people fetching water. There are moms there. There is a nursery beds over there. You see where they fetch water? They are using that water to do what? For watering the nurseries. Yes, let me show you. You see now. See this. Bari asubuhi rafiki yangu. Poa poa. So this is the culvert that allows water to pass and go through. Naongea na watu hapa. This is the culvert that allows water to pass through and people pass over there on top of it. The way you see. Let me cross here. Boom. You see how they built gabions here? It's to cover the whole of this place. Wow, guys, we're here now. At long last we are here. And I'm so good for that. So guys, let's enjoy the film. Let me reach on top. Wow. Do you see that? I'm on top of what? Wow, I'm top, guys, I'm top. So like, you see those homesteads that I was telling you? Because right now I'm on top so that I can show those homesteads from the other side. You see? Going this side too. Wow. Almost full. Bro, go buy it today. Oh, by the way. Almost full, guys. Then we go. Hebu jaribu kutoka tuone. Jaribu kutoka tusikie. Jaribu kutoka tusikie. Rudi tu nyuma kidogo. Here. Ni zile meno eh. Sasa itakuwaje? Ronaldo. Take Ronaldo. Chacha. When I get to Kokoram. Guys, you're trying to discuss something here, you know. There's a small problem that you're trying to solve here. So let's solve, then I will connect the feeling. Yeah, we are here, guys. So what's happening? I know you're just wondering, like, what's happening. What's happening is that the mechanic they have arrived, so we are waiting for them to open the car so that they can tell us the problem of the car so that we can repair it. But I'm in a nice place, guys. See this waterfall here. Very nice place. I'm just imagining you having maybe chilling here with a drink. You know, it's a cold place, guys. You see? It's a very cold place. And so, guys, if you like this place, just comment there and tell me that you wanna visit this place. Yeah, guys. You can see going here, people just doing their own things. Others are making the nursery beds over there. Others are washing clothes there, you see. They're washing clothes there. So that's the thing, guys. I really like this place. And do you see those big stones over there? The big stones that just near their houses. Wow. I like that view. I'm so proud. I'm so proud. See those, what they are doing there. Others going here. And this is Africa. So if anybody tells you that welcome to Africa, this is Africa. These are the nursery beds. Do you see this? Do you see those big stones there? Oh, Dave. So guys, the problem that we have right now, we are just walking around to find someone who has a grinder, because there are some nuts that they must be cut from the diff, because the diff got a problem, guys. So that's why you can see we're trying to walk around. And you know, guys, this place is interior, rural. The way you see people living here. You see the big stones there that I was showing you when I was the other side of the river. They are here now. You see? And you know the whole of these villages, this village is called, I think, Nyamosense. It belongs to Nyamosense. Oh, Bogambero. It's called Bogambero. So the whole of this place is Bogambero. You know, I too am, it's my first time here, so don't mind why maybe I'm wrong. It's because of that. So someone corrected me. So you can see how those big stones were created, guys. This is a homestead here, and see these big stones. Wow. This is so nice, guys. So it will be my thumbnail. Wow, one of the most beautiful places from Africa. See those big stones from the other side of the river there. Wow. And this is used for burning tobacco. So this is for burning tobacco. So anyone who smokes cigarettes, see that's your company over there. So we reached here, guys. Wow. So guys, you can't imagine that this is the main center or the main town of Bugambero. The smaller it is, you can't imagine that this is a town, guys. The reason why I'm telling you that, it's because of this school. Anywhere where you find a school, there must be a small center there. So there's a school over here, and this is just a passageway. Yeah. So let's find someone here. More. Oh, there's that kid running, going there, guys. We just we got helped. We found the axle, the cutting axle. So let's try if it will do. Then we will say, Mashallah, Mashallah. So let's walk around and see this small center here. Let's see how this center looks like. Chacha, ngumu acha ndamboki, acha ukuramboki. Ndamboki ribaya sana. Content. Yeah guys, you know, at long last we have managed to repair it. So we really don't know if maybe we'll manage to go through this. You know, there is a big hill here, so we don't know if we will manage to, but I thank God that you have it's now okay and we want to go. But I'm so sad because we've wasted the whole day here, guys. We have wasted the whole day here. I'm so sad. I've wasted around 20,000 Kenyan shillings. Yes. But I thank God because I will cover that money tomorrow, inshallah, God willing. So let's hope for the best, guys. And I think after this, we are going to end our video from here. Marwa. Wewe. Nambe nyori ge. Fresh. Che. Etai. Era inokonda. Sasa hiyo pressure hapo. It went. Guys, you know these heavy loads, guys, it's a bit trouble, but this Mugu, there's no pressure here, man. There's no pressure here, man. You see? Yeah. Kuna kitu imenini huko sijui ni gani. Kuna kitu kamechoboka kidogo. Oh, this is not necessary. You know, when you are in a car, you must be careful. Yeah, so guys, let me appreciate so much for the love and support that you always give me, guys. Let's go and keep this on, but I'm ending my video from this point. I say the thank you and God bless your barrels from wherever you're watching this video from, but if you have not subscribed, kindly consider subscribing. I appreciate so much. Yeah, guys, amazing. Bam. Sasa siko sawa.